we say another SHEIN haul? Yes. Okay, so for this haul, I wanted to create a timeless wardrobe. I wanted to create something that has some basic pieces, some layering pieces, things that I can wear multiple times with multiple different outfits, things that I can create a lot of different outfits with, if that makes sense. So I grabbed a load of stuff that I thought would create the perfect timeless wardrobe. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Love you. Let's go. As always, I'll have the links and codes to everything in the description, and I have a discount code that I'll put in the description as well if you want to use it. No pressure, but if you want to use it, it's there. Okay, the first thing I can see, I got a few shirts because I have seen all over Pinterest that shirts are the fashion this summer. You can style them in a lot of different ways as well, so I thought I'd pick up a couple of shirts. This first one is from the brand Dazy. And it is this like beige coloured shirt. I'll show you. It's just this beige colour with white pinstripes all the way around it, and I just thought this would look so nice for summer. I got this in a size medium. If I want a top or a shirt a bit more oversized, I will get it in a size medium, and with these shirts I did want them oversized because I kind of wanted to wear them like with a tank top underneath or something, and I think I could style this in a lot of different ways. The quality of the shirt is really, really good. It has these little cuffs which have a button on as well, so you can fasten that if you want to, and it has little white buttons going all the way down the front. I think this is going to look really, really nice once I style it, and I think it's going to be perfect for summer. Okay, I might as well show you the other shirt I got. This is also from the same brand, Dazy, and I'm pretty sure it's the exact same shirt, just in blue. It feels like a slightly different material. This one is more kind of a rough material, whereas the beige one was more of a silky, smooth material, if that makes sense. But it is pretty much the exact same style of shirt. It has the exact same buttons on it, and it has the same little pinstripes, but this time obviously it's blue. Exactly the same. I got this in a size medium as well, and I just think this is going to be perfect for summer. I've seen blue shirts all over my Pinterest. I see them every single summer, and I never actually have gotten one before, so I thought I would get one because this is in fashion every year in summer, so I know I'm going to be able to wear this every single year. So it's not just going to be like a one-time trendy thing. This is timeless, which is what I'm trying to create. Okay, this next thing, let's have a look. Oh yes, I do remember what this is. This is just a black dress. Everybody needs a black dress in their wardrobe, and this is like a summer dress. It's like a little summery dress, but it's black, and it is really, really long as well. It probably goes to just above my ankles. I will try everything on, obviously. It has a zip up the back, and I got this in a size small. I think just a black dress, you can wear it for so many different things. Like I could wear it for a summer barbecue, or I could literally just wear it for going to the shops because it's just a plain flowy dress, and I think it's just a staple to have in your wardrobe. You can wear it for so many different things, especially during summer, and I suppose you could style it for winter wear as well if you really wanted to. It is like stretchy along the top, and then the rest of it is not stretchy at all. The straps are adjustable, which is ideal. We love an adjustable strap because not everybody is the same size. So yeah, I am super happy with this dress. You can't really see it very well, so I will go and try it on and let you know what I think. Next up, this is from the brand EZwear, and I'm pretty sure I got a similar top to this in one of my hauls a couple of months ago. This is literally just a plain white tank top, but it has like this little lace around the bust, which is really, really pretty, and it has a little bow on it as well. I got the same top but in cheetah print and pink, and I love it. It's so comfortable, so I thought I might just get the plain white one as well because this can go with so many different outfits. It's such a nice material as well. It is really, really stretchy, and the straps are adjustable, which is great. It is double layered on the bust, so it's not going to be see-through at all, and I think this is just the perfect timeless piece that you can wear with like anything. And I got this in a size small. It is, like I said, it is stretchy, so I think this is going to be so comfortable. Next, this is also from that Dazy brand as well. I do like that brand. I get a lot of stuff from SHEIN from Dazy. They do have a lot of nice bits on there, and this is literally just a plain white tank top. I thought this would look good underneath the shirt or just as a plain tank top in the summer. I think this is just a timeless piece that you can wear with so many different things. Next, I got another tank top, but this one I just thought it looked really cool. It's not necessarily timeless, it's more of just a cute summer top, but this is what it looks like, and I thought that was really, really cute. It says organic apples. Yeah, I don't really know why. It just looked really cute. It looked really summery. I just think that this could be styled really, really cute for summer. I got this in, I think I got size small? I got size extra small in this, so it is going to be quite tight fitted, but I think it looks really, really pretty. I love the colours. It's the colours that drew me into this. The green, the red, I think it just looks really, really nice. So I will be wearing this a lot this summer. I mean, most of the haul is timeless, just this kind of isn't. Sorry. I just thought it was cute. Okay, next, this is... what is this? Oh! This is exactly the same as that little white tank top, but it is in black. Again, this is just a staple piece for your wardrobe. You can just pair it with literally anything. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's literally just a plain black tank top, and I think it's really cute. I think it can be dressed up really well. I think you can pair it with a lot of things. Like I said with the white one, it's such a versatile piece of clothing. You can make it look more elevated, or you can make it look chilled. It's literally just a plain black top. You can do so much with it. I really like this. I got this in a size extra small as well. Next, I already took this out the packaging, and I don't know where I put the packaging, but these are just some plain denim shorts. I have quite a few denim shorts, but I really liked the bottom, like the rolled up bottoms of these ones, so I picked these up. This is what they look like from the back. They are high-waisted, which I really like with denim shorts. I'm not too keen on the low-waisted look anymore. I'm not sure why, I just prefer the high-waisted. And I got these in a size small. Usually I get trousers in a medium, or like shorts in a medium, but last time I got shorts in a medium, they were just too big, so I thought I would try the small. So obviously I'll try them on and I'll let you know what I think, but I really like the look of them. I think they look really nice. Every girl needs a pair of plain denim shorts in the wardrobe, so I think these are perfect. Okay, we have a lot of like white items in here, so let's see what we got next. These are a pair of trousers, and honestly they're not the kind of material I thought they would be. What material is this? Oh, they're 100% cotton. These are 100% cotton trousers. I was like, I'm sure this doesn't feel like the usual SHEIN material. No, it doesn't, because it's cotton. Wearing cotton is so good for you, and it's so lightweight and airy as well, so I think these are going to be the perfect trousers for summer. They do have a little shorts insert in them, and I don't usually like that. I mean, I'll try it on, but I usually end up cutting them little short bits out of trousers like this, because I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the short end like here, and you can kind of see that through the trousers, and I don't like that, so I would rather just cut them out. But we'll try them all on first and we'll see. They have a stretchy waistband, but they also have a drawstring, which is great, and it's a working drawstring. It's not just there for show, which is amazing. It literally feels like bedding, like like high quality bed sheets. That's the best way I can describe them, but in the best possible way. They feel really good quality. They are so soft. I just can't believe they're 100% cotton. I got these in a size medium. Like I said, when I get flowy oversized things, I like to go for size medium because they seem to just fit better, and I am so looking forward to trying these on. These are gonna be perfect. They are literally just white trousers. Timeless. I could even just pair them with that black tank top if I wanted to, and put some cute sandals on with a nice bag. fashion. Let's see what we got next. Ooh, these are a pair of shorts and I have never had anything like this before. Little white shorts, but they're like smart looking. I don't know how to describe them, but they look really nice. They're quite a thick material and they've got another layer underneath as well. So they're not going to be see-through, which is great because obviously they're white. White shorts can often be quite see-through, and these I don't think they will be. They just look like really nice smart shorts. They'd be really nice for going for a meal or like going out one night. They do have a slight stretch to them and I got these in a size small. Next, this is another top from EZwear and I believe this is the same top just in black. Yes, it is. So this is the same like lacy top with the bow, but it's just in black. It's exactly the same in black because I know I already really like this style of top, and I think I got this in a small. Yeah, I got this in a small as well, so it's literally exactly the same as the white one but in black. I think this is a great staple piece for your wardrobe. Like I said with the other black top, you can dress them up, you can dress them down, and I think it's just so pretty. I really like the lace on it and the little bow. I just think it's a really pretty top. The last thing in here, this is from Dazy as well, and it's quite heavy. I think maybe it's trousers. Ooh, it is trousers, like smart trousers, and they're like this creamy color, wide legs. These are beautiful. These feel such good quality. I got size medium obviously, as I do with trousers most of the time, and they're quite small for a medium actually. They're just long cream trousers, kind of remind me of like old money fashion, if you know what I mean, like this kind of old money style, which I really like, by the way. They have pockets in the front. They're quite deep pockets as well, which is great because I hate when brands give women shallow pockets. Like, what's that all about? And they have this like pleated design, which I really like. The fabric is like silky but thick, if you know what I mean. I don't want this to come off the wrong way, but kind of feels like curtains, but not in a bad way, in a good way. Heavy, good quality. Yeah, they just feel really good quality. I'm really looking forward to trying these ones on. This is the first outfit that I've made from this haul. I've just stuck a little white bralette underneath because I think this shirt looks really nice just open, and these flowy trousers are so nice. They are already a bit mucky because I've been wearing them all day. I've just paired this outfit with these sandals. These are really old, but they're so comfortable, and I was thinking maybe put this bag with it, and then I think this is how the outfit would look. I think I could wear this for so many different things, and I think it just looks like a really nice casual but put together outfit. I also thought this same outfit but with the other shirt is really nice as well. It's just simple but it's still stylish. I really like these shirts. I think I can use them in so many different outfits, and I think they look really nice. They're such good quality. I have rolled up the sleeves just because I think that looks better, but you don't have to. But I really like these first couple of outfits. You could also pair the shorts with this outfit to give it a more beachy, summery vibe. The shorts fit really well. I am so happy with these shorts. I think they look so nice. I love the rolled up detail at the bottom, and I think this outfit works really well together. All you need is a little pair of sandals and a little bralette, a nice bag, and that is the outfit complete. I really like the colour of this shirt. I think it is so nice. You could also do this outfit with the blue shirt if you wanted to. There's so many different possibilities with the same few pieces of clothing. I really like this top. It's not too simple, it's nice, it's different. I really like it. So I've paired it with some black sunglasses, black bag, and obviously my favourite black sandals. And I think this is just a really nice casual summer outfit. I would wear this to go to the beach, go to the shops. I think this is perfect for summer. Again, you can wear this similar kind of outfit. This is just the more plain version with the white tank instead of the red apples one. And I think this looks really nice. You can accessorize this really well, so you can wear like any colour bag, or you can wear some nice fancy jewellery or some funky sunglasses or something, and then it kind of elevates the look from basic to an actual outfit. You could also do the same outfit but with the black top. I'm not going to try the black top on because it is in the wash. I did wear it yesterday, but it's literally exactly the same as this but black, as you've seen in the video. Again, this is a similar outfit just with the other white top. I really like the lace details on this top. I think it's so pretty, and when you actually like build it up as an outfit, I think it looks really nice. I've paired it black sunglasses, a black bag, and of course the black sandals again, but it just goes to show how many different outfits you can make by just changing one or two things about the outfit. I really like this top. It's so stretchy, it's so comfortable. The straps are adjustable as well, which is ideal. And I think this outfit is just so good for summer. I'm gonna now try on the black version of this top as well. I really like the black version of this top, and you can pair it with like black accessories because obviously it's black, or you could pair it with a cool colour and have like a colour theme throughout your outfit. Like maybe if you have yellow earrings or like yellow shoes or something, you can make it look really cool. I think it looks really nice with the all black, but it just depends how much colour you've got in your wardrobe. I love these tops. I will be buying them in every single colour. They're so comfortable. I feel like they're just so flattering on as well. I think they look really nice. I really like these shorts. They are so comfortable, and you can dress them up or dress them down. So this is the little outfit I've made with this top and these shorts. I've just paired it with a black bag and some little white heels. I think it would look nice if I had a white bag, but I just don't have one, so white heels and black bag are gonna have to do. The shorts themselves are really comfortable. They're a really nice kind of stretchy material. They don't have pockets, which is annoying. I would prefer them if they had pockets, but that's fine. They fit really nicely, and I am very happy with them. I think they look really nice. These trousers are so nice. They're really comfortable. They are a tiny bit too short. They're like that much too short, which is really annoying. So for reference, I'm about 5'8", so if you are looking to get these and you're my height or taller, they might be a little bit too short, but the size medium are perfect around the waist. They're just the tiniest bit too short. If you've watched my YouTube videos for a while, you will know I do have similar trousers to these, I think from a different brand on SHEIN. But I do really like this type of trouser. It's just a shame that they're a little bit too small, but ignoring that, they are really good quality. They're really comfortable, and I think I'm going to give these to charity just because they're a tiny bit too small. This black dress is so pretty. It fits perfectly, like literally perfectly, and it is gorgeous. It flows really nicely, and it comes up to like that much above the ankles. It's like a long midi dress, but it is just so comfortable, and I think it's just so flattering as well. It looks really pretty. I've paired it with this gorgeous bag. It has pearls and just little like beads and stuff on it, and I think it just looks so pretty. And also these shoes, which have a little pearl on them as well. And I think this outfit is really cute for summer. That is everything I got in this SHEIN haul. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you've made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've made it this far in the video, you know what to do. Leave this little guy in the comments, and then I can see you've watched all the way to the end. Thank you so much to SHEIN for partnering with me on this video, and thank you all so much for continuously watching my videos. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!